welcome back to Sincerely Grace. So today I am going to be doing a mini handbag unboxing. So I've actually had this purse probably for about a month and a half to 2 months. I actually received it during the middle of quarantine, during the middle of COVID, whenever it was really bad, probably in April. Yeah, it was towards the middle of April that I ordered this bag. So I've had it for a while, but now that we're actually starting to kind of go out a little bit more, I've been using this purse, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So without further ado, let me show you guys my newest handbag. So this is the dust bag for my newest handbag, and if you've been on my Instagram, you probably already know what it is. So as you can tell, it's a pretty small purse. It is a crossbody bag, so let me open it up. So the bag that I chose is this gorgeous Saint Laurent, I believe it's called the Lou Maltese camera bag. And it's actually a crossbody bag, and this is in the color coffee beige. So I have my notes here on the side. It is the color coffee beige, and I've had it for about a month and a half to 2 months, and I actually got it at a discount. So let me tell you guys how I did that. So I actually have ordered 2 YSL purses off Saks Fifth Avenue, and each time that I've ordered a purse from there is whenever they were having a discount. So I want to say it's every $500 or every $250 that you spend, you get $50 off or $100 off. I ended up getting this purse for $950 plus tax, and this purse retails for $1,250 plus tax. Altogether, it ended up being like $1,000 and some change. So I thought I got a really good deal, even though my husband thinks it's not a good deal because I wasn't really in the market, but I was. Anyways, that's another story. But yes, I ended up saving about $300 off this purse, which makes me like it even more. And I was in the market for a crossbody bag. I've been eyeing a crossbody bag that had either all beige or had some kind of gold detail. I do have like a wallet on a chain that's beige with gold detail, but it doesn't hold as much, and me being a mom, I do need something a little bit more roomy. And this to me is the perfect size. It was between this purse and the Gucci Soho that I've been eyeing forever. I just never could pull the trigger. Every time I would see it on somebody else, I'm like, oh, I like it. And every time I'd go online, I'm like, I don't know if I'm really sold. So I was going back and forth, but I'm very happy that I decided going on this one. 1, because I ended up saving a lot more money, and then 2, to me, I think this bag is a little bit bigger than the actual Gucci Soho. So the measurements for this is, so for the height, it is, let me see, the height is 6.25, and then the width is 9 inches, and then the depth is 2.5 inches. So as you can tell, this is pretty big. This definitely holds my essentials, which are my wallet, my phone, my key holder, my 6-ring key holder, my chapstick, and then I always have some kind of glasses in my purse. And it also allows me to keep a little bit of extra just in case, like my kids, they're into sunglasses. So they adapted to my addiction to sunglasses. But anyways, it does hold a lot, so I really love this bag. So it does come also with an adjustable strap, which I thought was really nice. I am pretty tall, and for me to find a purse that fits well crossbody sometimes is a challenge, so I always try to go to the store and actually try on a purse before I buy it if it doesn't have an adjustable strap, because I'm always afraid that it's going to hit me right above the hip. And I like my crossbody bags to hit me right at the hip or a little bit below. But let me go ahead and show you guys how this purse looks on me. So So like I said, I am pretty tall, so this is where it hits me, and this is at the 5th little hole here. So I still have 2 that I can go ahead and make it longer. So if you are a little bit taller, or you just like your purse is a little bit lower, you can definitely adjust that, but I think it fits perfectly. Like I said, I really love it. This little tassel just adds a little bit more character to the purse, but I definitely see myself wearing this purse all throughout summer and all throughout spring, so I am very happy with my purchase. So that is all for today. I really hope that you enjoyed my newest handbag reveal and this little unboxing that I did for you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.